it's Bella Lover. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So let's get on with this video. The first squishy I'm going to be showing you is my jumbo cake. This cake I got from the fair, my local fair, and it smells so good. It smells like strawberries. Smells delicious. The next squishy is this bread squishy. This one smells like chemicals and chocolate. Then I have the rest of my squishies in here. Okay, this one is kind of like my stress ball. This is a peach. This one is super soft, like still rising. Then I have this donut. I have this chocolate swirl. I have a PB&J squishy. I have a smiley face squishy. I have a apple squishy with a little keychain. Really slow rising. I have this soccer ball also with the keychain. These two are from the same company. I have this blue donut. This bread squishy. This rainbow squishy. This macaron squishy macaron. I don't know, lots of people say it different. I like to call it macaron. This is a donut, a plain donut. A pink donut, cookie, whatever. And a white donut. This is my sister's. My big sister, Mackenzie, this is hers. It's a little tofu. I made this homemade cake. And this was made out of memory foam and markers. Lots of people use paint, but I didn't want to get my hands dirty, so I decided to use markers. And I also found this really cute thing. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, and I found this really cute little trash can, and it can roll, and you can actually hold it, and you can put some stuff in there. They had a recycling one, but I wanted the trash can, so I could really just put, like, anything in here. I could put some grocery gang, I could put Hatchimal, I could put squishies, you know. And you could even use this for your baby dolls, or you could just use it as your American Girl dolls, or just a decoration. But I really thought this was super cute, so I got that from Dollar Tree. Anyways, these were my squishies. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new so you can get a fidget spinner. But before I go, I'll show you all my squishies again so you can tell me in the comments which one's your favorite. So yeah, those are all my squishies. Make sure to tell me in the comments which one's your favorite. And like I said, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!